Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
On the left, we have the Phase DASHCAM front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. And on the right, we have the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K DASHCAM.
Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top.
When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer impressive features. The Phase DASHCAM records at 2K+1080P in the front and 1080p in the rear, while the CHENSIVE DASHCAM goes all out with 4K resolution in the front and 1440p and 1080p in the other two channels.
If you want crystal clear footage, the CHENSIVE DASHCAM is the way to go.
Now let's talk about connectivity. The Phase DASHCAM comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and sharing of your footage.
You can even live stream your videos on social media. On the other hand, the CHENSIVE DASHCAM offers a 2.0 inches IPS screen and a free 64GB SD card.
No need to worry about running out of storage space.
Both cameras have their unique advantages in this category.
Installation is a crucial factor to consider. The Phase DASHCAM boasts a compact and hidden design that won't obstruct your vision while driving.
It's super easy to install, even for first-time users. Meanwhile, the CHENSIVE DASHCAM combines 3 cameras in a compact size, ensuring it doesn't block your view or distract you. Both cameras offer convenience in terms of installation.
Let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The Phase DASHCAM features a GC-MO sensor with a wide aperture and WDR technology, providing clear videos in low-light conditions. The CHENSIVE DASHCAM also excels in this area with its f2.0 aperture and 4 infrared lights.
Whether it's day or night, both cameras deliver impressive performance.
Now let's talk about some additional features. The Phase DASHCAM offers a 24-hour parking mode with collision detection and time-lapse recording. It's like having a security guard for your car.
On the other hand, the CHENSIVE DASHCAM has a built-in G sensor that automatically locks footage in case of a collision. Both cameras provide peace of mind while you're on the road. Both the Phase DASHCAM and the CHENSIVE DASHCAM have their own strengths and unique features. It all comes down to your personal preferences and what you value most in a dashcam.
If you prioritize video quality and connectivity, the CHENSIVE DASHCAM might be the one for you.
But if you're looking for a compact design and advanced parking mode, the Phase DASHCAM has got you covered.
Remember, make a smart choice that suits your needs. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest comparisons.
If you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below.
Until next time, happy shopping!